how to turn this into this. For my EDC, I packed this organizer called Gridit and this tiny pouch to hold all the small items and cables that would otherwise be jumbled up in my backpack. Whether it's for school or for work, staying organized can make the day that much easier. Let's take a look at how I organize my backpack with only 2 accessories. This pouch holds all my charging cables, my laptop charger, mouse charger, and phone charger. The tiny pouch also holds my microfiber cloths because the number 2 enemy to any screen is dust. And of course, number 1 would be falling and getting cracked. It's made of this faux leather material and has enough space to hold the essentials. It also keeps its rectangular shape no matter what's stuffed inside, making it easy to stow in any bag or backpack. The Gridit organizer by Cocoon holds my other EDC accessories. It's currently holding my USB-C adapters, external hard drive and cable, an outlet charger, a USB-C hub for my laptop, and a few pens. It's 7.25 inches by 9.25 inches, about the size of a small notebook. The elastics on the Gridit are pretty good, and after 3 years of use, they haven't lost their elasticity. There's also a loop on top so you can hang it or easily pull it out of a bag. And inside, there's a hard plate that ensures Gridit holds its shape while still being lightweight. What makes Gridit so good is that it's versatile enough to hold almost anything. You're only really limited to the size of the organizer and the length of the elastics. Since my backpack lacks pockets and compartments, these 2 accessories are essential to organizing my smaller items while also keeping them easily accessible. Depending on your EDC, you might want to look at getting a larger pouch or a bigger Gridit organizer, but I can see almost anyone using and needing these 2 very useful accessories. Thanks for watching.